Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video I am super excited and so are my members on this stock that is Oracle. Members and we all have made 60% gain. That is 60 plus percent gains in just close to a month. Just in a month. Just a little bit over a month. I'll show you the proof, everything. You know, I don't come out without proofs. So what's going on with Oracle? What's from here? Now, look, I can't do these type of videos when the plays are beginning. Why? Because then what's the point of being a member? If you are a member, you are catching 60% plus moves. That is 60% plus moves. And this just not Oracle that is giving us 60% plus moves. There are other stocks as well that have been ripping, and my members knows about it all. All right, don't you think that you see on the right hand side on my screen the list? It's one of those. Don't you think that way? Because you will still don't know which that stock is. What are those stocks? And also the ones which are really giving great moves, and also there could be some other ones as well. So you don't know because you are not a member. You gotta pull that trigger, my friends. You gotta pull that trigger, okay? If you want to make your life better, I keep saying you gotta take the action. All right, so in this video we'll talk about only Oracle. As I said, the move was a month ago that started, and let me show you. I called it out on my Patreon for my members. Oracle, 13th of April, I mentioned. Oracle has found its long-term bottom today. Expectation is to the upside for the long term now. 13th of April. Which day was it? Which day was it? Tell me. Right over here. I mentioned that this is the bottom. And from there, so where are we to date? From the place where we were forming a really good bottom, and I have been calling out this structure for quite some time to my members, and this was the confirmation candle. So technically we were already buying down from here. So let's take a look at our move. We are already 63% in the gains. Okay, so but hey, what to do from here? How are we looking at this thing? Like, look, again, like this is not really a great time to buy a lot of position. Again, it's bullish. If you want to do it, but if you would have been a member, you would have built the position right down over here. I have been calling this thing out that it's a no-brainer. It's a long-term buy, and there are many other stocks which have moved as well, but some are still in the move. So if you don't want to miss out, you gotta be a member, my friends. Details you will find in the description of this video, to my trading tools and also to my stocks coverage videos for the members that I do. All right, so Oracle, this is where, as I just said, we started a long-term bullish trend and we continued up. This is where things were a little bit getting sideways, but our first leg of the move was until this yellow zone that you are seeing. And here I have been telling my members in regular updates, because it's important for you to receive regular updates because you are a member. You need to know, is it still okay? Or should you size down, or what, all that good stuff. And if you see my videos long enough, you will really understand yourself what to do, right? So this is where I'm told my members, look, it's fine. Yes, we are going through some weakness right now, but as long as we can hold blue box, overall structure is still fine. And that's what Oracle just did. It held. And this is where I have been telling my members, yes, it's okay. It's okay. Our first move is done to the yellow zone. The next move is above yellow zone. So this is where you definitely be prepared to manage the position, but technically once the breakout happens, you can add more to the position, but you are never selling your full position down from here that you built at 136. This is where you are being careful, but you are still holding the position because it's still bullish. And though, take partial profits because first target is hit. This was a very technical strong resistance, and as you can see, price did stay over there for close to 20 days. So that's something you have to also be, have patience, right? Again, I always say it's not about just patience, right? You can't have a patience on a stock going down. You need to know when to be patient. It's all about understanding the structure. And structure was here strong, but it was all the game about patience. And the patience is paying out. Patience is paying out. You can see we have a really good strong continuation of the breakout. And this is what I was telling my members, calming their nerves. It's okay. It's okay. Still, it's okay. We are holding the structure. Recently, I told my members this was the zone. Above that, still we are all good. 185 area around. And you can see we are pumping. We are pumping. All right. So anyhow, 60% plus move is already in the bag. Again, partial profits can definitely be taken, but overall structure is bullish. Should not sell all of your position. Maybe take 2% off the table, 5% off the table of your position or whatever, right? Now, what from here? Well, look, a pullback is possible, but the point is that that very yellow zone that was a technical resistance in this ongoing move becomes a really good support now. As we continue to stay above 204 to 206, we'll be just bullish, and the next targets are like 250, 260, and so forth. Again, like, look, I can't do these videos when the moves are beginning because, as I said, well, then what's the point of being a member? Member always get exclusive content. They make a lot of money. All right, and there are many other stocks as well that I talk to my members. Okay, that's all I had for this video. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.